When you're looking to inspect the sharpness of an edge, whether you're at the manufacturing stage or for routine inspection, having the right quality assurance method will save you time and money. Here we're looking at NOVACAM's non-contact optical probe sweep over a cutting tool. The part is inserted in a chuck base while the probe scans the item from top to bottom. All the parameters, such as edge radius, are user-defined and applied at the click of a button, so the operator has total power in deciding how the part needs to be scanned. This is only one of the many dimensional and surface inspections NOVACAM's probes can accommodate. The probe, the profilometer, and the software compose a high-throughput application that renders ultra-high resolution images, with no need for composite imagery. Let's take a look at what this cutting tool looks like on screen. Once the part is scanned, the operator can verify that the edge sharpness matches the design requirements. The reading can provide edge radius measurements up to the micrometer and highlight any deviations from the required curvature. NOVACAM's probes are a quality assurance method that is meant to give you the perfect edge and guarantee excellence. For more information, visit our website and download the application note, or simply contact us.